Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it had a couple of issues. One of them was that the panels, as you can see right here, they were all kind of melting. So we installed new ones on the machine, and we also had to replace the two-way valve. As you can see, this one is rusty. Some parts of the machine were also rusty. We removed them, put newer ones in there, clean everything inside. Make sure there were no other leaks. We had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. This one has been working since 2012, so it was a good time to retire this water pump. While we were testing the machine, we did notice that the flow meter was not actually stopping the flow of the machine. So when we were telling the machine to do 2 ounces, it would just keep just dispensing water. And that was because these right here, that you see right there, there you go, focus. That pin over there was basically stuck into the cable and it was not making a good connection. So this flow meter was not working in the machine. We had to replace the entire cable and we had to replace the flow meter as well. And that's all what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot, we're gonna be testing it out. We're using our test coffee and we're using the number 3 setting of the machine. Right now the machine is grinding coffee from here, going into the brew unit that is located behind this door. Once it gets there, the transmission will push it all the way to the generator where it's gonna get compressed. Once it does that, the water pump, the new water pump that we installed, is gonna push water from the tank into the generator, through the brew unit, into the spouts, and then into the cup. Now we did select a very small short shot because this cup is very tiny, but you can increase it and decrease it by rotating this knob. Same as the quantity of the coffee that is grinded on this machine. Now we're testing the hot water function of the machine, and as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out of the one, looking excellent, having really good temperature as well. Now we're testing the steamer function of the machine. We're gonna see a little bit of water coming out through the one because we just used the hot water. But once it gets to the generator gets to the temperature, we're gonna see steam coming out through the one. As the generator starts to get hot, we see an increase of pressure coming out through the one. And now that is fully up to temperature, you can see the steam coming out through this machine. Excellent pressure. Really great steam coming out, working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repaying me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.